Peace and love. This is Middle Eye. I wanted to get on here just to chill, vibe, get out in nature. I'm in nature right now. Let me show you. Let me show you. I'm in nature right now. My little getaway away from the world while still seeing the world. My little getaway away from the world but still seeing the world, man. Wanted to talk about a few things. There's some things that I don't really pay attention to, but I wanted to talk about with you guys. Cause I don't allow that shit. I don't allow this. Look, I don't allow this this race shit to get in my realm of reality. I don't. I've realized and I've seen that they're trying so hard to create to get into my space. You know what I'm saying? They're trying so hard to create hell in my dimension, in my universe, in my realm. They're trying so hard to create hell there. I'm not gonna allow them to create no hell, man. I'm at peace. I'm at peace. And I will always be at peace. I will always be at peace. They say rest in peace. I guess I'm dead. Cause I'm rested in so much peace. I guess I'm dead. Oh man. How do you find peace in a world so cruel? Just sit and watch the grass grow. Just sit and watch the grass grow. No Facebook status, no social media, no Twitter status. I don't allow anything that I don't want into my temple. This is my temple. This is my temple. This is me. This is my temple. And I watch what I allow with it. You think I smoke weed, don't you? I used to. These are herbs that I get from a crystal store. It goes deep. It goes deep. It goes deep. I'm not allowing anything into my temple anymore that's negative. Nah, I'm a beautiful being. And I'm manifesting greatness always. I said I'm a beautiful being. I'm manifesting greatness always. That's what I tell people when they greet me. Be like, how you? I'll be like, I'm manifesting greatness. I am greatness. That's what I say every time. That I am quote can be greatness or it can be the end of your world. That I am quote, you gotta take it with you. Understand that everything that you lay your eyes on, everything that you lay your eyes on is a product of your mind. Is a product of your mind. So whatever you allow up in here comes out here. That's why they trying so hard on TV to fuck with you. They trying so hard on TV to fuck with you. They trying so hard on social media to fuck with you. They want you to think negative about this planet. They want you to. They want you to believe that riots are going on everywhere you go. So that you can start seeing it. I remember my first time actually seeing protesters, and I had to grab attention to that, right? When I didn't have any of the protest shit on my head, I didn't see no protesters. It wasn't until that I wanted to deliver a message to the police in which that I started seeing protesters. It's crazy, ain't it? And I realized what I was doing, and I said, you know what? I want to see nothing but beauty. And here I am. Now I would like to share this space. With people that are also great. I would like to share this space. So my next chapter in life is to find my spiritual family. Yo, I released a turtle in this water. I bought from a pet store and I released it here in this same motherfucking water. And I was concerned whether I've ever see him again. And I think he just poked his head up over the water. Manifest. So let me tell y'all why I kinda took a week off this. I took a week off because it wasn't really a week off. I'm always learning. I went to the beach, right? And for the first time I realized that I can control the waves. For the first time, I realized that I can help the waves flourish. I'm a water bender. For the first time, I realized that. I'm in the water, everybody letting the waves hit them, and they playing around, they screaming, running away from the waves. And I start doing this thing with my hands where the wave comes in. It's about to go over and it's about to create this twirl, right? And I do this thing with my hands. Let's see if this plant will hold this up for me. Matter of fact, let's do this. Come on, nature, work with me. Work with me, nature. Ah, yes, all right. Look, I'm gonna stand up for a minute and show y'all what I was doing. Excuse me. Peace and love. Helping the waves. I can do it here too, because there's a little current here. Helping the waves. Do my breathing techniques. You see, I become in tune with my surroundings around me. See, the waves here are calm. The waves here are calm. So I am calm. Do my breathing exercises. I breathe in. I breathe out. And what's going on up here is how much I love my surroundings. How much I respect it. I'm not thinking about the drama of yesterday. I'm not thinking about what I can be tomorrow. Because what I can be tomorrow is what I am today. And everything that I want to be, I put it in the quote, I am. Because I am that I am. I love my life. And I want to share this space. I would like to share this space. Spiritual family, yo. Sun gaze. Whenever that sun comes out, I sun gaze. Look, you about to learn a lesson. Sun gaze. Whenever that sun comes out, I gaze. I close my eyes and I let my third eye hit I let that sun hit my third eye. And I receive the data. It's meditating. It's all a part of meditation. As I speak, bird flies and lands on a leaf. Peace. And here's another thing, right? Every time a cloud blocks the sun, I had a conversation with somebody, right? They were like, look, the cloud was blocking the sun, and I got upset. Observe that. Observe you getting upset about the cloud blocking the sun, because the cloud is still a part of nature. No matter how much you may think that the cloud is there to block your frequencies, the cloud is a part of nature. The cloud is going to block the sun sometimes. Take it as a break, you know what I'm saying? Take a break from your sun gazing and open your eyes and see how different the world is after that first hit of data frequencies. Take it as a break. You can take that with you in every lesson that you go through, in every life lesson that you go through. Take a break. Take a break. Bring yourself out here, yo. Come on out. I want to share this space. I wanted to take a different approach today and come out into nature. Because I love the frequency here. I'm comfortable here. You learn a lot about yourself while just being in nature. You see, me, I learned that I can control waves through my vibration. See, I understand that my vibration is everything. It's just like a frog that croaks in the middle of a pond. You could see their vibration as the ripples of the waves. I am that same way. I am that same way. Can somebody join me and watch the grass grow? Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love. Excuse me as I manifest greatness. I am amazing. I am abundant. I am abundantly wealthy. I am happy beyond all measures. I am that I am. I am financially stable. I am righteous beyond all measures. I am the one. And I am here. Can you hear me, my ancestors? For I am here. As you wanted me to be. Here. I am greatness. I am successful. And if there is any title that I am positivity only. I understand that everything's neutral. Everything's neutral. There is no such thing as a bad thing or a good thing. positive or negative, heaven or hell. There's no such thing. It's all in my mind. But in my heart, I would like to feel that I'm doing all that I can to be great upon all positive aspects. If I would like to see all the dimensions within this universe, and that's why I say I want to watch the grass grow. I want to watch the plants dance, because just like I have music, the wind that flows in the air is the plants' music, and I watch as they dance. And everything that moves in this nature. See, my mind has this thing where I can think about some things. So to speak, Pixies. I believe in them. I believe in Pixies. I believe in miniature versions of us living life in these forests. And I believe that they are also at war with their energies. I feel like they have a lot more peace. I feel like they understand this frequency a lot more than I do, a lot more than we do. So Pixies, nature itself has guided me to where I am now, right where I belong, right here, right now. I stand still as the grass grows. I observe as the grass grows. I am, there it is again, I am. I am one with nature. I am one with the universe. And I am here, ancestors. I am here, ancestors. Right here, right now, I observe myself, my being, right here, right now. I am love. I am strength. And I shall let nothing destroy my being. And as I say that, the fish jumps up out of the water and creates its own vibration, its own ripples. How much did those ripples affect our ecosystem? I want to say this. I want to say that everybody that's watching me right now, I love you. You are greatness beyond all measures. And remember, everything you lay your eyes on, your mind is a product. Your mind is projecting it. Your mind has to create it in order for you to understand it, right? So whatever you allow in your mental is showing out here. Never forget that. Never forget that you are a god. You are a goddess. Never forget that. You created. You've created this. And I'm glad that you're here. Peace and love. May greatness be.